Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Today I am discussing about the computer language. Language means medium to express our view and feelings, and it's need to communicate with the computer, that is understand the in which program is a set of instructions that tells the computer to what to do, and programming is the process for writing the specific instruction in the computer language is called programming. Each programming language has its own specific rules, which is also called syntax. There are 4 types of the computer language: machine language, assembly language, high level language, and high level language and 4th generation language. Machine language is also called 1st generation, and assembly language is called 2nd generation, and high level language, that is the 3rd generation and 4th generation language. Each and every language has its own specific and own features. Machine language used 0 to 1 binary language, binary form, that is 0 to 1, where 0 means off and 1 means on state. It is also called low level language. Assembly language, it use the mnemonic code to a code or the symbol instead of the binary language, and it is the machine dependent. And high level language use English words, that is the mathematical operators, and it is the machine dependent. 4th GL language is machine dependent, minimal user skill required to obtain the result, and it is the application development tools. Now come to the section A, which is the fill in the blanks. A dash is a set of instruction which tells the computer to what to do. It is called program. Second, the development of the computer language can be classified into the 5 categories. Third, the dash language consists of the binary number, that is the machine language. And the 4th, assemblers convert the assembly language program into machine language. And 5th, high level language use simple English words and the mathematical operators. 6th, syntax language use mnemonic code or the symbols. And 7th and 8th of in binary language 0 means off and 1 means on. Second, B, state true and false. Machine language is the only language that's a computer understand, it is the true. And second, assembly language is the regarded as the 1st generation language, is the false. And the third, programming language has its own specific rules, that is the true. And a compiler convert high level language program into the machine language by line, it is false. And high level language program has to be converted into the machine language by translator or the program, it is the true. And 6, Fortran language was designed for the business user, it is false. And programming language is the process for the writing the specific instruction in the computer language, that is true. And 8th, machine language has its mnemonic codes, it is the false. And section B, program written in the assembly language is the called source program. And B, second, and assembler an interpreter convert high level language program into machine language line by line. And third, assembler program convert into the machine language by translator is called assembler. And 4th, the term software was first used by the John W. Tukey. And questions is the what do you mean by the machine language? Machine language is the only language that a computer understands. Second, it is expressed in the binary form, that is the 0 and 1. And third point, it is the machine dependent language. Second question, how is assembly language is the different from machine language? Assembly language use mnemonic code or the symbol instead of the binary language. Machine language is binary code to depict the operators and data. And second point, assembly language has to be converted into machine language by the translator program or the assembler, where machine language only language directly understood by the computer. Assembly language is known as the 2nd generation language, and machine language is known as the 1st generation language. Third question, what is the features of the high level language? High level language known as the 3rd generation language. It is a simple and user friendly language. it is machine dependent. And fourth, high level language is quite similar to the English language. High level language program need to be translated into machine language by using the translator program. And fourth question is different between the interpreter and the compiler. Interpreter translate line by line, whereas the compiler translate whole program at once. Second point, interpreter execute the instruction and then repeat the procedure for the remaining instruction, whereas the compiler generate the object code for the program along with the list of error. And third, the interpreter programs are the preferred by the beginners and slow in their execution speed. And the execution speed of the compiler is the faster as compared to an interpreter. And fifth question is list three characteristics of the fourth generation language. Fourth generation language is the first, it is the machine dependent, and second, it is the minimal user skill required to obtain the result, and fourth point is the application, it is the application development tools. Fourth generation is the highly user friendly and it's very high speed, designed to reduce the level of the programming efforts. And in fourth generation language, user has to specify the only required output they want, while the computer determines the sequence of the instruction that will be accomplished to those results. Thank you. These are the questions answer of the chapter 1 completed. Okay.